All right, to this now. Sanral says the freight sector's increasing need to use roads due to logistical problems with rail has necessitated the need for more frequent maintenance and the expansion of roads. Officials from the parastatal attended the first ever symposium on the safety and wellness of truck drivers, which was held in Boksburg. Newzroom Afrika's Nqobile Madlala attended.
As the Truck Driver Wellness and Safety Symposium continues, we have already heard from Sanral, who's also the custodian of the national roads, just to hear now more about the details and the work that's being done on the ground. We're going to bring in now the CEO. Perhaps if you can just give us an idea, what is Sanral's response to ensuring that the roads stay spick and span amid having trucks that are quite heavy that are on the road?
As the National Road Network custodians, we have noticed an increased truck traffic on our roads. Obviously, what that means is we must increase the frequency at which we do maintenance, all types of maintenance, routine as well as periodic maintenance, to make sure that the roads are kept in good shape in order to manage this increased traffic.
What kind of projects have you implemented to ensure that there's enough room for everyone to drive in these roads?
On the N3, which obviously is one of the highest traffic volume road in the National Road Network, we are implementing a massive project between Pietermaritzburg and Durban to increase number of lanes. When we finished, it will increase from about 2 lanes to at least 4 and 5 lanes in each direction. We're also putting in lighting across the entire stretch, so that will improve visibility during the night, and of course with more visibility, we hope that it will become safer. So that is to accommodate increased truck traffic. On the N2, we are doing the same there in Durban towards the south and north, but we are also looking to start another expansion project on the N2 in Ermelo down to KZN. Ultimately, it will go to Richardsburg.
That also means that there needs to be budget for it. What's the plan there?
So far, we do think that we'll have enough to carry out the required work that's there. Obviously, you will wish that there is more in order for us to also support municipalities and provinces in maintaining their roads. But for our national road needs, we do think there is enough. We are in conversation with Treasury to also give us borrowing limits so that we can go borrow money in the private sector for the toll road network. Because for the toll road network, we use private sector funding in order to implement projects, and hopefully that will get approval soon.
And what are we looking at in terms of numbers?
In the toll portfolio, we have already announced previously that we have a pipeline of about 34 billion rand projects that are shovel ready. In other words, as soon as we are able to get money for those projects, we will immediately roll them out.
For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I am Nqobile Madlala in the symposium.